Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin. Today we're going to be going over my color curate bag for the month of October and my Allure box for the month of October. Okay, first up is this color curate bag by So Susan Cosmetics. And this month is absolutely gorgeous, and it always has messages on the back that are like positive or uplifting, and it's live truly, freely, and purposely. Very cute bag. The only thing I noticed about my bag, this one was coming unraveled a little bit at the bottom, and I just took a picture of it and contacted customer service, and they told me that they're just going to send me another bag with my next month's shipment, which I was totally okay with that. So at least they're going to be fixing the problem and replacing the bag. For those of you who don't know, the Color Curate bag is a beauty subscription that costs $20.99 a month, I do believe. And you get 5 items. You get the bag and you get 4 items inside. Usually they run around 100, 120 value for the bags. This in particular bag is $124.90 is valued for this bag. The theme is on this card right here in the bag, and also we have the products with the prices on the back. The first thing in here is this really cute liquid Glossomer, and it's from Pong Cosmetics. It's a liquid luminizer. It has cute little colorful sheep on it and just absolutely cute. Let's see what this looks like. This is valued at $22.95 for this. Wow. Hopefully it's like one of those things like a little bit goes a long way, because to me this packaging is a little bit tiny for that. But let's see. This is what it looks like when you first take it out and you put it on your skin. It's like a gold color almost, and then you can blend it out. It looks like a nice luminizer. But to me, it looks more of like a subtle, instead of like a subtle highlighter, instead of like in your face highlighter. But that's okay, because some days I like to go for the more subtle, natural look. So definitely looking forward to trying that. Next up is another thing is from Triple Cosmetics. It's a glowing icing highlighter powder duo. So another kind of highlighter in here, which I'm okay with because I really enjoy highlighters, and I like trying different highlighters out and seeing which ones I like the best, or playing with them, going back and forth. Okay, these are more darker colors. One looks like a rosy color and one looks more like a gold. So let's get some swatches of this and see if it will show up here. Oh yeah, they definitely show up, and the rose one is more to me like an in-your-face highlighter, which I absolutely love that they put in here. Whoa, and here are the colors here, and I definitely love this highlighter duo that they've included in this bag. This one here is calling my name. It's more like a rosy gold color, and this is more like a gold color, but this one here, wow, that is absolutely stunning. I'm really excited to try these for sure. I like that they had like a more lighter one and a more darker one in there. That's kind of cool. Let's see, that is valued at $19 for that highlighter. And then let's see what else is in here. There is also another thing from Pong Cosmetics, and it's Supercharged Intense Eyeshadow Duo that has cute little flamingos on the front here. How cute is that? And this is valued at $22.95 for this duo. It has this really super cute teal packaging with the flamingo on the front of it. All this stuff is vegan and cruelty free, just so that everyone knows that. That is a promise that comes with this bag. Okay, and it does look like some of the powder was knocked a little bit loose, but it does still look intact. It's a really beautiful, looks like a dark greenish blue color, maybe. Let me see. And a gold. Oh no, that's black for sure. So it's black and gold. That gold though is absolutely stunning. This is the color swatched. The black doesn't, it does look a little bit patchy, but then again, I'm not sure if it's going to perform that way or not. It's just how it performed in the swatches. The gold was pretty solid and bold in your face color, and I love that. Let's see, the last thing in here is from So Susan Cosmetics. Oh, it looks like it's a cream lip palette. Perino palette is what it's called. It's with chamomile and sage oils. This almost reminds me of that Seraphine Botanicals palette I got not too long ago, except for this looks like it just says lip. It doesn't say anything. It says if you want to wear this for long wear, to put multiple coats and blot with a tissue after each layer. So that's kind of cool that it put on there. Like if you want to wear them for just light wear for just a couple hours, or if you want to try to wear them all day. Let's get some swatches of this. So here is the colors here, and they're on my arm swatched right next to it. And the colors were very creamy. I gave my lips just like a little tint. It's definitely a buildable coverage as far as like how dark and how long you want the colors to last, but they are really pigmented and creamy, so looking forward to this. That's everything in my color curate bag. Let's go ahead and move on to my Allure beauty box. And this is the box, and this is $23 a month. It's a beauty subscription, and it's curated by the people who make Allure magazine, and they always put this little magazine right in top here. It just tells you the products that's in here, their prices, and a little bit about them to give you some kind of information. And we have a couple other little flyers in here. The first thing I want to pull out is from Beauty Bento. Kaja is the brand. And I was excited that they finally put like eyeshadows in here, because it's been a while since they put any kind of, and this is probably it on the makeup that they put in here this month, but that's okay. I have Chocolate Delilah. Really cute ombre pastel packaging on there. So this is an eyeshadow trio. And I absolutely love the idea of stacking them on top of each other like this. For an easy, compact, as cute, it says as cute as it is good. I've never tried this brand before, so I'm excited about that. I heard it's a pretty decent eyeshadow brand. Okay, so it looks like, this is what it looks like if you want to open them all up at the same time, but they do come in different layers. There is one tiny mirror, and it is in the top by the gold color. I'm going to swatch these for you so you can get an idea of what these colors look like. Okay, and the retail value of this eyeshadow trio is $21, and it's at Sephora. So here is the colors swatched. Perform really well. The shimmer was absolutely gorgeous, very solid when swatching, and then the two mattes were almost like a satiny matte, very soft to the touch, felt very wonderful on the skin. Can't wait to put those on my eyes. And next up is from First Aid Beauty, and it's a Pure Skin Facial Cleanser, safe for sensitive skin. So there is that. It's 2 ounces of product in here, and I'm not sure if this is considered full size or trial because they have both of them in here. This is valued for $34, and you get 8 ounces of it. So this is just like a sample size portion, but it is a generous amount for, I think anyways. So that is cool. That's a pretty good brand. So put that over there. And the next up is from Nature Lab Tokyo, and it's Perfect Repair, a leave-in treatment, which I'm always excited to get those because I do use leave-in treatments in my hair. I feel like it helps it be more healthier. This is actually another trial size item, and it's valued at $16 for full size. So good to know that's not too expensive. If you wanted to go buy that, you could. Next up is, I do believe, our other full-size item in here, and it's from Boscia, and it's a Pro Retinol Repair Cream. I'm actually going to probably gift this to somebody because I don't really like to put retinol on my skin because I do have rosacea, but I don't have it around my eyes. I just have it like mostly on my cheeks and my nose. So if it's like an eye cream, I can try it, but this looks like it's for your face. So I'll probably be passing this off to someone else, but this is valued at $48. And next up is another trial size item, or another deluxe size item. It's from Dr. Jart Plus, and it's a Ceramidin Cream Moisture Retention Shield is what it is. Apply to entire face evenly to retain healthy skin. Is our last full-size item. They do promise you 3 full-size items in the box. And this is from Wish. It's a Powerful Effective Naturals Pink Champagne Lip Balm. Having a lip balm as a full-size item is kind of disappointing because they always give those out in like Ipsy and stuff like that in their glam bags. But if it's a good lip balm, it has a nice soft citrusy scent to it. It smells really nice. Let's see what this one was valued at. $20 for that lip balm. So that is everything I had in the Allure box. I don't normally give like a price point like on how much the total box value is worth because they do give a lot of deluxe size items in it. And it's really hard to tell like how much those deluxe size items are really worth. That's everything that I had for you in this video today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.